Did you know you could potentially turn your internet surfing time into a gold mine? Picture this. You're already online? Why not make it work for you? Imagine a world where each click isn't just a scroll through social media, but a step towards financial freedom. This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's the reality of affiliate marketing. A world where you can generate income from the comfort of your own home, on your own time. The secret? Affiliate marketing with a company that has a universally necessary in-demand product. Affiliate marketing is not just about promoting a product. It's about finding a product that solves problems, a product everyone needs. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is a simple yet powerful concept. It's a process where you, as an affiliate, promote a product or service, and in return, receive a commission for every sale made through your referral. But it's not just about picking any product and pushing it to the masses. No, it's much more than that. The key to successful affiliate marketing lies in choosing the right product to promote. And what could be more right than a product that caters to a universal and evergreen need? Health, my friends, is that need. It's a necessity that transcends geographical boundaries, age brackets, and socioeconomic statuses. It's a market that is always in demand and always relevant. Now imagine tapping into this market with a product that not only addresses health issues, but does so in a way that is backed by a company with a clear vision and mission. A company that is not just focused on selling a product, but on making a difference. A company that is set on becoming a household name and is ready to support its affiliates in reaching customers on a global scale. Imagine being part of a company with a mission and vision to expand globally with a product that everyone needs and wants. Meet Forever Healthy Products, a company dedicated to making its high-quality health products a household name. This visionary company is not just about selling products, but about creating a healthier, happier world. They are committed to providing solutions that are not only effective, but are also universally needed, making them an evergreen choice for affiliate marketers. Forever. Healthy Products understands the power of a strong network, and thus they invest in affiliates, offering robust support to ensure that they flourish. Their readiness for e-commerce on a global scale is nothing short of impressive, with logistics in place to ensure that their products can reach customers wherever they may be. In essence, Forever Healthy Products is not just a company, but a community, a platform for growth, and an opportunity for those ready to seize it. Isn't it fitting you turned your time into a gold mine with Forever Healthy Products? The world is waiting, so why wait? Join us and become a part of our ever-expanding community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more valuable content from Forever Healthy Products. Check the links in the description box on how to get started and get your unique link to become an affiliate.
Thank you for checking in to learn about FHP Affiliate Program. If you are looking for a simple, easy way to earn rewards and income, check this out. Are you searching for a cutting-edge product that delivers the results like no other, science-based, safe and an only meat product? Would you like to have the privilege to purchase the product at a lower price? Then you are in the right place and your timing is perfect. Wait till you hear all the other advantages. This is a no-brainer opportunity. First, we have made it so easy for you to get started. It's free to join, no purchases even required. Get the invitation link and register for free. No risk, no obligations, no pressure. Have access to the revolutionary products you will be proud to promote and share. Use it to experience the difference. Once you have tried the products, start sharing your story. Your personal story will give credibility. Stories sell. Share your experience about the product and the opportunity. Start promoting your link and build your community. By helping others improve their health and well-being, you'll earn while making a positive impact on their lives.